students. Hope you all are safe at home. Today I am starting Civics Chapter 2, our Constitution. In history, you will study that how Indians were collaborated for independence against British. People from different background of India joined together for the struggle of independence. One of the most important example of the struggle for independence is the incident of Jallianwala Bagh. Many people died in this incident. Men and women, Hindu, Muslim, Sikh and Christians all were united in the agitation against Britishers. They wanted to be a free country. After independence, many questions arose about education, religions, equality, problem of untouchability, economic and social problem. To solve this problem, a group was elected and was known as Constitution Assembly. In the Constitution Assembly, there was 299 members from different part of the country. Meaning of Constitution. The Constitution is the supreme law of land. It lays down the framework to make laws, govern the country, establish a structure of policies, procedures, power and duties of the union and state government. It states out the fundamental rights, directive principles and duties of citizens. Now we should come to our next topic, formation of the Constitution Assembly. The Constitution Assembly was formed in 1946. The idea of making the Constituent Assembly for framing the Constitution of India was devised by the Cabinet Mission Plan. The Constitution Assembly consists of the elected representative of various provinces who were eminent personalities in their own fields. Constitution is a collection in which the laws, the rights and the duties are written in such a manner that our line the system and social idea values are written in it. In Constituent Assembly, different issues were discussed thoroughly. The discussion extended for 3 years and then only the Constitution of India was formed. On 26 January 1950, Constitution of India was amended and established. During the struggle of independence at Lahore Conference or Indian National Congress on 26 January 1929 passed a resolution for total independence. To make this day an important day, on 26 January 1950, the Constitution was formed to bring total independence or Purna Swaraj. People involved in making of Constitution. The first meeting was conducted on 11th December 1946 under the chairmanship of Dr. Rajendra Prasad. Participants included Jawahar Lal Nehru, Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel, Sarojini Naidu, Dr. Bhim Rao Ambedkar. Bhim Rao Ambedkar was the chairman of the drafting committee. He is often called the father of the Indian Constitution. Children, now we discuss preamble of Indian Constitution. We are the people of India, having solemnly resolved to constitute India into a sovereign socialist, secular, democratic republic and to secure all citizens justice, social, economic and political liberty, social, economic and political equality of status and of opportunity, and to promote among them all fraternity, assuring the dignity of the individual and the unity and integrity of the nation. In our Constitution Assembly, this 26 days of November 1949, do hereby adopt, enact and give to ourselves this Constitution. Now we come to our next topic. Why do we need a constitution? For good governance of any nation, the constitution very much essential. The responsibilities and the limitations of each department are mentioned very clearly. All have to follow the instruction and the guidelines given in our constitution. In our constitution, 10 fundamental duties and 6 fundamental rights are also mentioned. If a citizen thinks that its rights was not fulfilled by the government, then the people can seek help for the judiciary. We all obey the rules and regulation. It promotes peace and integration. So due to the constitution, we get an inspiration for building a better society. कुछ साल पहले मुंबई में म्युनिसिपल कॉरपोरेशन वाले स्लम झुग्गी झोपड़ी में रहने वाले लोग और फुटपाथ में रहने वाले लोग को हटाने लगे। कम से कम 50,000 लोगों को उनके जगह से हटाया गया। तब ये लोग कोर्ट पहुँचे और अपना केस रजिस्टर करा दिया। आखिर इस पर सुप्रीम कोर्ट ने आदेश दिया कि स्लम को डिस्ट्रॉय नहीं किया जाए और यदि किसी कारण ऐसा करना भी हो तो उन लोगों को रहने के लिए अलग स्थान दिया जाए। इस तरह हम देखते हैं कि कॉमन पीपल के अधिकारों की रक्षा हमारे कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन में है। ओके स्टूडेंट्स, टुडे आई हैव कंप्लीटेड दिस चैप्टर। आई विल मीट यू इन नेक्स्ट क्लास। टिल बी सेफ, बी हेल्दी, गुड बाय, थैंक यू वेरी मच।